Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to see how to use Google Drive and we can see about the more tips and tricks in this video. Before going to the tutorial, let's see what is Google Drive. A Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization services developed by Google, which is launched on April 24, 2012. The Google Drive allows the users to store files in cloud and synchronize files across devices and share files. The Google Drive web interface. Google Drive offers applications with offline capabilities for Windows and Mac OS computers and Android and iOS smartphone and tablets. The Google Drive encompasses Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and which are the parts of the Google Docs editor's office suites that permits collaborative editing documentation, spreadsheets, presentation, drawing forms, and more. The files can be created and edited to the Google Doc sheets and saved in the Google Drive. The Google Drive offers the users a 15 GB of free storage through Google One. The Google One also offers 100 GB, 200 GB, 2 TB offers through the paid plans. The files uploaded can be sized up to 750 GB. The users can change the privacy settings for individual files and folders, including the enabling sharing with others users and make the content public. On their website, other websites, the user can search for an image by describing its visuals and use natural language to find specific files such as find my budget spreadsheet from the last December is on. The Google Drive is a key component of Google Workspace. Google's monthly subscription offers the business and organizations that operates G Suites until October 2020. As a part of Google Selective Workspace plans, Google Drive offers unlimited storage, advancing file audit reporting, enhancing administrative controls, and greater collaboration for the men for teams. Now let's see how to open Google Drive. In order to opening the Google Drive, we need to open a web browser, which is Google Chrome. I'm opening a Google Chrome now. And this is the Google Chrome interface. From this, we need to open Google Drive. In order to open Google Drive, we need to move to the top right corner of the page over here. Here we can see Google Images, Gmail, Images, and the account information. Beside that, we have an six dotted icon, and if you go there, you can see about Google applications. If you click over there, we can see many applications. We can see over many applications here, like Google Search, Maps, YouTube, Play, News, Gmail, Meet, Chat, Contacts, Drive, Calendar, Translate, Photos, Duo, Shopping, and then Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Books, Blogger, Hangouts, Keep, Jamboard, Classroom, Google Earth, Collections, Art and Culture, Google Ads, Podcast, Google One, which is similar to Google Drive, Travel, Forms, etc. And we have more Google applications if you click over here. And it's like a list over it is found here. It is found here. These are the Google application which are available. And coming back to the topic, we need to open the Google Drive, which is placed in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th row second number. And if you click on the Google Drive, and this is the Google Drive interface. This is the Google Drive interface which is available.
I found a few Punjabi restaurants near you.
And this is the interface of Google Drive. And on just hunting upon the informations, we can just see the Google Drive logo over here, and this is the search in Google. And the search has many filters, like the stuff upon we can search for the images, PDF documents, spreadsheets, presentations,
These are the top
fonts,
results.
audio, video, zip, drawings, shortcuts, folders, sites, etc. And this the search option over here. You can just type. You can just select over the type of the folders and just short it according to it. But we'll get back to this topic. But now then, we'll just see how to upload a file here now. And this is the interface, and you can just upload your file with different stuffs and different ways. And now I'm just going to upload using the option plus this plus button over the top left corner of the page, and click over it. And you can just see one more options, which is file upload, folder upload, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms. Click on more. You can just see also Google Drawings, Google Maps, Google by Maps, Google Sites, Google or App Scripts, Google Jamboard, and you can also connect with more applications. And now I'm just going to upload a file upload, folder upload. I'm just going to upload a folder over here. Uh, Before that, I'm just going to upload a file over here. And uploading a file, I'll just go to the desktop, and just I'm going to just open upload a file, going to the file over here, and just going to clicking about file over here. And now I'm just going to upload a example image. Double click on it, and I can see my status of uploading over here. And as soon as it's completed, it's the one upload is completed. And I can also just, if I want to view my upload, I can just also double click over here, and a dialog box appears where I can just see my uploads. And the next thing is like uploading with the second method. Uploading with the second method is like, if you want to upload a file directly, not by clicking over here, you can either right click over here, right click over the application, right click over here, and another things appears as same as here, as same as you can see over here, as same as you can see over here. And upload file. Again, I'll go to my file and just click upon an image, and I can again see my status over here, and the timings is shown over here. And I again want to see that, double click over here, and preview appears. And then at the same time, if you are uploading a file with more size, you need to just wait for some time and just upload it. Before that, I'll just click upon the image which I have uploaded. This image I have been uploaded. And the next thing is like uploading a folder or file. Uploading a folder is to create a folder, new folder, new folder, and just click example, and just click on create over here. It takes some time, and just a new folder is created. If I double click over here, go inside and drop the files over here, or use new button. You can just drop the files over here directly, or you can just there is a third method for uploading the file. Just click upon new, click on upload folder. I'm going to upload my total this folder, which is Aditya by name. I'm just going to drag and drop this file over here, and as you can see, the things is getting uploaded here, and it's a big size which has have 2600 600 things over here, and just get uploaded. If I want to cancel this because the time is like 4 hours, 4 hours and 1 hour and 28 minutes. So I just want to cancel this stuff. If I just want to cancel, I can just click on cancel over here, and the upload gets cancelled. And if you can see over here, and an exclamation and emergency icon is it's shown here. If you go near it, you can just retry and upload it. If I just want to close it, or if I want to minimize. I just want to close now. And this how you can upload your files over your drive. Now we are going to see how to delete and restore the files in Google Drive. In order to delete or restore the file, if I just want, I don't want my this folder over here, which is example. So if I just want to delete it, if I just see it, nothing visible over here. So just click over here, options just visible over the top right. You can just see about get link, share this file, delete or remove, and more actions. And you have more options over here like download, rename, etc. Like if I just click over here and right click, you can just see open with, show file folder location, add drive to shortcut, move to, add to start, rename, change color, search with example, view downloads, view details, and downloads. And if I want to delete it, click over here, and I can remove this over here. And the second option which is available is like right click on the file and just click upon remove. If I want to remove, get removed at a fraction of a second. And if now and now if then I want to just restore my file, I need to go to the trash, which is available in the left options: my drive, computers, share with me, reasons, start, and trash. If I click upon the trash, you can just see a new page appears, which is trash for my drive. And this is the deleted item which I've deleted recently, the file example. And you can see another option here, the items in the trash are deleted forever after 30 days. And the trash over here, if we just a file moves to the trash, it will be stayed for 30 days, and then we can restore between that. If it doesn't just moves, or you can just remove it before 30 days. And this you can short the we just have also the shorting options over here, which is like it's like shorting a, we can just short using the trash date, name, modified day, last modified me, last opened by me. And I have the same single folder so that I couldn't see it. If you just want to elaborate it, wait, I'll just make it. Again, you can jump to the my folder, and if you want to click delete this image, I'll just click on right right click right click and just preview, open with, share, get link, show file location, add to shortcut, move to, start, rename, manage versions, make a copy, abuse, report abuse, downloads, remove, nothing helpful suggestion. You can just remove it. If you just the file gets removed. Again after that, the going to the trash in the options over here, if you just click see the image over here is placed. Now then, if you want to just short it, if you just want to short it, you can just click upon trash date. You can just upon ascending and descending order of things. Trash, date, name. If you just say upon name, the folder names and file names is being separated, and just more lost modified just get changed. You can just also change the ascending and descending order. And lost modified by me, if then you can see in the ascending and descending order. And you can just see open by me, you can just see the ascending and descending order. And this is the list view. If you click upon the list view, the day over the is changed over here, and here too. And if you want to click here, it just gets into the grid view. And in the list view also, you can just sort things directly. This is ascending and descending order, and like lost modified and modified by me, and like more opened by me, and trash date. And this is how you can just, if I just want to, I'll just get back to the grid view by clicking the grid view option over here. And if I just wanted to get back my files or restore my file, if I just want to restore the image over here, you can just select it, and in the top right you can just see upon restore from trash, remove, delete forever. You can either click over here and restore from trash, or then you can just right click and click upon the option, same option is visible over here, restore and delete forever. I just want to restore it, and you can just see restored the file name and show file location and undo. I've just again, if I go to my drive, the file is being restored. And this is how you can just restore and delete your files in uploaded in Google Drive. Either it may be a folder or maybe a file. Now we are going to see how to delete and restore the files in Google Drive. In order to delete or restore the file, if I just want, I don't want my this folder over here, which is example. So if I just want to delete it, if I just see it, nothing visible over here. So just click over here, options just visible over the top right. You can just see about get link, share this file, delete or remove, and more actions. And you have more options over here like download, rename, etc. Like if I just click over here and right click, you can just see open with, show file folder location, add drive to shortcut, move to, add to start, rename, change color, search with example, view downloads, view details, and downloads. And if I want to delete it, click over here, and I can remove this over here. And the second option which is available is like right click on the file and just click upon remove. If I want to remove, get removed at a fraction of a second. And if then I want to just restore my file, I need to go to the trash, which is available in the left options: my drive, computers, share with me, reasons, start, and trash. If I click upon the trash, you can just see a new page appears, which is trash for my drive. And this is the deleted item which I've deleted recently, the file example. And you can see in another option, yes, the items in the trash are deleted forever after 30 days. And the trash over here, if we just a file moves to the trash, it will be stayed for 30 days, and then we can restore between that. If it doesn't just moves, or you can just remove it before 30 days. And this you can we just have also the shorting options over here, which is like it's like shorting it. We can just short using the trash date, name, modified day, lost modified me, lost opened by me. And I have the same single folder so that I couldn't see it. If you just want to elaborate it, wait, I'll just make it. Again, you can jump to the my folder, And if I want to click delete this image, I'll just click on right right click right click and just preview, open with, share, get link, show file location, add to shortcut, move to, start, rename, manage versions, make a copy, abuse, report abuse, downloads, remove, nothing helpful suggestion. You can just remove it. If you just the file gets removed. Again after that, in the going to the trash in the options over here, if you just click see the image over here is placed. Now then, if you want to just short it, if you just want to short it, you can just click upon trash date. You can just click upon ascending and descending order of things. Trash date name. If you just say upon name, the folder names and file names is being separated, and just more last modified just get changed. You can just also change the ascending and descending order. And last modified by me. If then you can see in the ascending and descending order. And you can just see open by me. You can just see the ascending and descending order. And this is the list view. If you click upon the list view, the day over the is changed over here, and here too. And if you want to click here, it just gets into the grid view. And in the list view also, you can just short things directly. This is ascending and descending order, and like last modified and modified by me, and like more opened by me, and trash date. And this is how you can just, if I just want to, I'll just get back to the grid view by clicking the grid view option over here. And if I just wanted to get back my files or restore my file, if I just want to restore the image over here, you can just select it, and in the top right you can just see upon restore from trash, remove, delete forever. You can either click over here and restore from trash, or then you can just right click and click upon the option, same option is visible over here, restore and delete forever. You just want to restore it, and you can just see restored the file name and show file location and undo. I just again, if I go to my drive, the file is being restored. And this is how you can just restore and delete your files in uploaded in Google Drive. Either it may be a folder or maybe a file. And now we are going to see about Google extension. Before adding the Google extension to the drive, we need to know about what is Google extension. The Google extension is nothing but the extensions or small software programs that is customized by the browser experience, and they are enable users to tailor Chrome functionality and behavior to individual needs or preferences. Extensions are but disturbed through the Chrome Developer Dashboard published to the Chrome Web Store. And this is about the extensions, and we'll just see about it practically. And now, in order to open the Google extension, you need to add a new tab. I need to wait for a sec, and the Google tools appears here. We need to open Google Apps just next to Gmail, Images, Google Apps, and your account information. And you can just search for Google Store over here. If you can't find the Google Store over here, you can just rather click upon here, search, and just click on Google ST or Google Store. Store.google. And sometimes if you just click upon Google Store, you just get into the web homes, you get into the gadget stuff, and this isn't the Google stores. And keep Google Google Store extension. Click on it. The Chrome, it's manage extensions and stuff. And this is upon not Google Store, it's upon Chrome Store. And you can add extensions to the software which you upon need for according to your need. And you can just select home theme extensions and click upon drive. Click on here, save to Google. If you just click upon here, Google Drive, and this is the option save to Google. If you just this is the option where you can just download extension from the Google Store. If you just click upon the advantages which over here, you can see over here overview about this compatibility of the device, save web content and screen capture directly to the Google Drive. The save Google Drive Google Drive Chrome extension helps you to save web content or browser screenshot to your Google Drive. It adds a browser action to save the current page. Adds a right-click extension menu to save hyperlinks and media. Configurable through an option page. Save PDF of current page via print menu, Chrome print menu. And here too, we can just get an idea about extensions. The extension allows you to save the web page content directly to Google Drive through a browser action or content menu. You can save documents, images, HTML5 audio and video, and all by right clicking and selecting save to Google Drive. And you can save the currently viewed page using the save to Google Drive browser action or as PDF from the Chrome print menu. The directory locations and formats of the HTML pages can be controlled with extension page options. And this is how you can just see about the extension. And now then, if I click over add to Google, it gets an option of checking, and it just gets over here add extension pop-up just appears. You can read and change all your data on all websites. Display notification, add extension. If I click upon add extension, the extension is be downloaded, and here you can see adding to Google, and then a technical glitch happens here, and I'll never mind turning upon the sync. I'll now then, if I just click upon a page and if I just search for cars and select upon images, if I just wanted to download it, I'll just rather click upon if I just want to download any image and save it. The main purpose of the extension is to saving the image or the files by downloading directly to the drive. And this is about the drive extension of the thing. And if I click upon, and you can just click upon the puzzle button over here, which is, if you click upon it, you can just see the option extension full access. The extension can see and change the information on this site. And if I just click upon save to Google Drive and pin it, and it just get pinned over here. And if I just unpin, it disappears. If I just pin it, it just appears. If I just see upon it, save to Google Drive has the access to the site. If I just want to download this to an image, this over here. If I just want to download this image, I'll just right click, and I get an option as, if I just give many options over here, open link in new tab, open link in new window, open link in incognito window, create QR code for this image, save link as, copy link address, open image in new tab, save image as, copy image address, search Google for image, save to Google Drive. And this is the option where you can save this image directly to the Google Drive. If you just click over here, you can just see two options: save link to Google Drive, save image to Google Drive. If you want to save my image to the Google Drive, I would rather click upon it, and it just gets page allowance. And this is a link to web page. Open the link and save the page over here, close. And then this is how you can upload files to the Google Drive directly using extensions. Upload directly using extension. And now then, if I want another image, save to Google Drive, save image to the Google Drive. And if I click on open the link, and this is how you can just see about uploading your file in Google Drive. In Google Drive. And that's the thing, you can just see about adding your image to the Google Drive. Just see about, you can just also see downloading option over here. And image capture failed and cannot talking to the URL extension. Manifest may request permission to the access host. We need to just synchronize before using it, and as I have not synchronized it, you can just get some technical glitches. And now we are going to see how to download directly from the how to directly create a file using Drive. And for that, I'll just close these tabs before that, and clicking back to the Google Drive. As usual, you can just create your own files directly without any external factors. You need to The thing you need to do is to just click upon new over here, new and plus button over here. If you just click upon new, and you just get an options like Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, etc. And then as usual, if you just right click over the page over here, you just get the same as Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Forms. And if you click upon more, you can just get the same Google Drawings, Google Maps, Google Sheets, Google Script, Google Jamboard. And you can also connect with more applications. And now if I just want to create a new doc Google Docs over here. If I just click over here, and it just gets in two options, which is blank or from the template. The Google Docs is just either be created with a blank document, or you can just create it with an template also. I'll just create it with a blank document. A new window opens up here. Take some time. And it just gets upon citations, using citation tools to add in the text with this sort of tutorials. And I'm gonna just click upon demo, DEMO, and you can just get an option save to drive. Just if I just clicked over here and just keep on save to drive, each and every move is saved to drive directly. See document status, you can also use this option to see your document status. And now I just want to rename it, and I'll just click upon demo. Yeah, it's defaultly renamed as demo. I'll just click enter. The file is being saved as demo. If I just don't want to just save it again with the option demo, not need to just go to the file and just save it as a copy or download it. I can just either if you just see over here, you'll just you can't just see the option as save file as or save file as. You just either get an option download, and if I just click upon download, it will download to your device drive. You type it device drive as it have many extension over here like Microsoft Word, docx, open document format odt, rich text format rtf, pdf document pdf, plain text txt, web page html, zip, and epublication, just epublication.epub. I'll just click. No need to download it because it just been saved to the drive already. As you can see over here, you just click up saved as untitled document, but the name I have just given here is demo. The name isn't saved over here. In order to save it with that name, you need to simply refresh your screen. So reload the changes. Yes, reload. If you just see it again, I'll just change it to the last modified. I'll just keep on descending, and as you can see, you can just see your file name as demo, and this renaming can be done anywhere else. If I just want to rename my file again, you can just simply right click your file over here, and you can see many options over here like preview, open with, share, get link, show file location, add shortcut to drive, move to, get starred, renamed, make a copy, report abuse, download, remove, and nothing, not an helpful suggestion. You can just click upon rename over here and just rename your file to the, just click on example, example, example. Just click OK and you can see the option working, and just the file name is changed to example. And if I just go back to the file name demo is changed to the example here too, and each and every moment is saved to the Google Drive. It says you can, if you just keep on backspace too, you can just give your option saving, and you can just see your status. All changes are saved to drive. This document is now ready for an offline use. If you lose an internet connection, you can't edit this document. To access your document without an internet connection, you need to turn on offline. And this isn't related to the topic. And coming back here, okay, this is how you can just rename and create your own documents. And you can just recreate your own documents using other options. So I'll just either by clicking here, it's not visible, I'll just click upon right click over here, click over here, and just click upon more options, more options, more options, and just can see the option connect to more apps. If I just click over here, and this is the Google Workspace Market, the Google Workspace Market which is found here. I just click upon full screen, and this is the where you can just add your extra documents from the extra applications can be added to the Google Drive and created directly. And this here many options like editor's choice, work from everywhere, business essentials, apps to discover, top charts, most popular, top rated. It is all filters which is which is used for the used as an application, external application that can be added to a Google Drive. And this is the works this is about works with Google products. It's about works with Google Drive, Google Gmail, works with calendar, works with document docs, works with sheets, works with child, and works with forms. And this is the external application. I'll just close it. And this is how you'll just try to rather create your own files using the using Google Drive directly. And now we are going to see how to search using Google Drive. In order to, it's very difficult. If just now, it's an example folder over here. So it's just easy to find things which is manipulated, duplicated, and which is less in number. And if you want to just add some more files and just make search over it, it just makes collapse while you just search for the file specifically. To make that thing easy, the Google has provided the search button, which is found in the top portion of the Google file layout or interface. And if you just want to find a file, click over here, and you can also specify the file which you want to your search. It's given as PDF, documents, spreadsheets, presentation, image and photos, videos, and the thing. And these are the option which is given as the specific searches. If you are searching a file which is in the PDF format, you can click over the PDF, and the PDFs are found over here. I'll just cancel it. And if I just want to file which is document format, I'll click over document and just keep on searching, and the only one file which is found over here, which is document type. And if you want to just click upon spreadsheets, I have not uploaded any spreadsheet over yet, so none of your files or folders match with this search. Try another search or click the arrow in the search box by the file name, by type, owner, and more. And now I'll just click upon presentations, and I would rather not added any presentation. The source same is shown as none of your files or folders match this search. Try another search or click the search box or the owner of this search. I'll just click upon now image and photos and images. It just get loaded, takes some time, and the images and photos are found over two images and photos, and they get an option like there are additional images in your trash. Just refresh it. Okay, then that's the thing. You can just see upon the two photos over here. I'll get upon videos. Just get loaded. I can see over two videos over here. There is one additional item in your trash that matches to this search. And if you are searching this, it doesn't even just appears to be in your general drive. It's also just says about this your files is found in the trash also. You can just recommend it too. For now, I'll just go to the trash, and I can just also select over the trash. I'll just restore this. I'll just restore everything in the file now. I'll just come back to the my file, and if I just want to I just didn't get my file yet, so I'll just click upon more search tools, and this is the more search tool. We can get different options over here. You can just search your file using the file type, like if you're searching using the type, owner, location, either in trash or starred, date modified, item name, has words, shared to, followed up. And you can just see type. uh, Under type you can just click upon many options that is available here, like image or PDF, photos or images, PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, presentation, forms, audios, videos, archives, drawings, shortcuts, folders, sites. And these are the options available in type. In owner, just click upon, you get four options: anyone, owned by me, not owned by me, specific person. And location, anywhere. You can just click upon here and click upon drive, and my drive, share with me anywhere. And you can select either whether the file is in the trash or in the starred. In date modified, anyway, anytime, today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, custom. If you click upon custom, you can just search on the calendar too. Search in the calendar too. And item name is a specific file name. You can select the specific file name and search it. And has words. If you're just selecting, I'll just click come back to that part. And you can just if you are shared to someone, you can just enter their mail ID to which you are shared to that file. And you can have follow up too. Follow up actions only, suggestion only, action items only. If you don't get it anything, you can just click upon learn more. And here the option is given here. Many options are given here, and the articles that helps you to get your file get searched. As you can just see, whether your system has been Android or iPad or iPhone. It's computer. Get quick access to the things over here. It's like turn off quick access or turn on or off. Search your files, search tips, filter your drive results, etc. Now then, I'm just want my PDF. I'll just close it. Now I want to search my document. So I'll just click advanced search it. More search tools. More search tools. I'll keep on type. I'll just keep on doc. It's a documented type. Owner owner I'll just given anywhere. Date modified today. Item name like example, and has the words demo. And I'm not shared it. I'll just search it. Exactly, I get my document which I wanted to search. I'll just click it, and this is the document that I want to just search it. I given demo here, so demo extension is given, and the documents, example, and the date line. This is how we can search using the Google Drive. And now we are going to see how to upload a file or folder by dragging drop option. For that, I'm just minimizing everything over here, and then opening up here. And if I just want to, I'll just minimize it. Minimize using the minimize option over here, and bring it aside. And if I want to just move and file folder to the drive over here, if I just click it and just drop over here, it couldn't be dropped. But then if we want to upload over here, I'll just make it as a list view for easy purpose. If you just normally click over here, it just get uploaded over here. You can just get an option like drop file instantly using upload them. If we want to just open it, it's taken less than a minute and just started get uploaded, and the file gets uploaded. The PDF gets uploaded over here. If I just change it to the list view, to grid view, I can see the PDF which is uploaded over here. And then if I just wanted to again add this, I can't add this PDF directly over here sometimes. and you can just upload the file, um, drag and drop your file and upload it either using the grid view or list view. And if I click over here, it just takes a minute, just shows it takes a minute. And duplicate file, and you can just get a duplicate file. You have already have a version of this file attached to the drive. A new version have been attached to the original, and you can click got it, get it, and it's just get paused without any upload. If I want to just add my file again to this drive, if I need to just select on keep as separate file. If I click upon it, it just directly get downloaded and just get uploaded over here. Upload gets cancelled, and it's sort of glitches that happen over in Google applications. I'll just again drag it and drop it and just start it, keep it as separate file, and just get and the file get open. The PDF editing option is seen. We'll just see about it later. And the file is uploaded to it. And if I just want to just click on separate file and creating separate file to the file name and just get uploaded. And if I just see, the file is uploaded over here 2 times. And this is how you just drag and drop and just manipulate your files which is uploaded to the Google Drive. And the next thing we are going to see is how to create shortcuts. For that, we need to just I'll just create a new folder over here, new folder, and click upon, for example, okay, example exe, and just create it. And new folder is being created over here, and I can add shortcuts. If I want this image, this specific image over here to create shortcut, I'll just do simple thing as usual. Just right click over here, and you just get many options like preview, open with, share, get link, show file location, add to drive, add shortcut to drive, move to start, rename, you view details, manage version, make a copy, abuse, report abuse, download, remove. I'll just click upon this 1 2 3 4 5 6 sixth option, which is add to Google Drive, and I'll just get a query over here. Shortcut links the original, allowing an items to appear more than one location. This is nothing but if you just create a shortcut, it would either be showed in the home page and another in the another place where you just created the shortcut. I'll just click over here, add shortcut, and it gets a bit time and just comes up with a pop-up that drive my drive computers share with me are starred. I'll just click select my drive, and I'll just select the folder where I need to just create a shortcut, and I just click upon example.exe and just click add shortcut. Adding shortcut, you just click shortcut has been added to exe. And I need to rather just before that I have created a example.exe file and just I'll just move that file to the here. And I could rather doesn't do that, and I'll just select create a new file at the time of this creation moving. I'll just select the same image, right click, and click upon the sixth option, which is add to shortcut. Click over it, and the pop-up appears, add to my drive. I'll just click over here. I can see another option over here, which is new folder. I could rather create a new folder here also. I'll click over it and just create a new file, example sample exe2. I just select it and just add shortcut. adding shortcut, it added, and here the file is created, and this image is placed over here. The image is placed over here. And coming back to the topic, you can just see two options over here, which is either creating your folder, new folder, before you just either before you upload a new folder, and the next option, which is creating when you're creating when you're just directly uploading your file. And this how you can just create your shortcut by your own. This option used to upload your file direct and save it directly to your drive. And now I'll just show how to just create your drive. I'll just select the same image and just click upon. I'll get a different video now. I'll just right click over here. I can see many options again: preview, open with, share, get link, get file location, add shortcut to drive, move, add to start, rename, rename, manage captions, manage versions, make copy, report abuse, download, remove. I'll just report shortcut over here again, and dialog box appears, which takes some time. I'll just click upon my computers and open it, and computers and open it. The file is empty. New file, new folder. It just takes some time. My network is sort of glitchy, and before that seeing it, we can just see what is start option, which is start option. The start option is just present here. If you click over it, this is also a kind of organizing your files correctly, as like you create a shortcut for your application. If you click upon start, if you click upon start, you can see no start file or folders, or start things that you wanted to find easily. Next final thing we are going to see about Google Drive is about notifications, and you can enable and disable notifications using Google Drive. For that, you need to go to the settings, which is available in the top right corner. If you click upon the settings, you can see options like get backup, settings, get backup and sync for Windows, keyboard shortcuts. If I click upon settings, I can just see many options over here, which is like general options. It's like generals, notification, manage apps. In generals, I can see storage 51 MB used up, 15 GB storage, and options replacing items with shortcuts. Replace item with shortcut. Do not replace. In this is an update. Upcoming updates in coming weeks. The items you could own that are located in more than one location or folder can be replaced using shortcuts. This may include the items in these shared folders that can currently aren't visible to everyone who has an access to the folder. People won't gain the access to these, but the item types and names will be visible. Do not replace is do replace. And convert types, convert uploaded files to Google Docs format. This is like docx format, that's the thing. And offline and language, you can select the language settings too. Offline, create open offline, enable edits your Google Docs sheets files and devices while you're in offline. And density, comfortability, etc. And the second option is like notification. This is the option where you can get selected the notification. You can get notification two ways, which is like browser and email. In email, you can just click upon see over like email, get all updates using the Google Drives via items, via email. You can just get some new updates and news about the Google Drive in email. If I click upon the browser, get updates about the Google Drives in your browser. If I click over it, I can just notify me about newly shared items, requests for access, command suggestions, and action items approvals. Get all updates about the Google Drive using the via email. If I just click allow, you can just if I click allow, you can just see all the notifications and stuffs from Google Drive. From Google Drive. If you don't want to just remove the notification, browser settings, you can just close it, and you can just see a option unticked. It's just been closed, and you will never receive any notification from the Google Drive to your browser. And this how the process is being done. Thank you for watching this video. Find later. Easily find later. Just add the we can just easily add files to the start. Either you can just either you can just taking an example of this image. I'll just right click, and I can see many options: preview, open with, share, get link, open file location, shortcut, move to, add to start, rename, manage versions, make copy, abuse, download, remove, etc. I'll just add to start. I'm just clicking start. One file is added to the start. I'll just go to the start and just see a photo and image, photo or image I've just saved to the start. And this is the thing, like you can just easily manage to organize your files in this method. And this is how you can just easily do things. And coming upon to the topic, this is the way where you can just create the shortcuts and use your start option.